Hey there, homeowners! Are you ready to transform your bathroom into a sparkling sanctuary? Are you tired of those stubborn stains ruining the look of your bathroom? Those unsightly marks that just won't budge no matter how hard you scrub? Say goodbye to stains with BRAZOS. This powerful cleaner is here to save the day. BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner is your new best friend. It's always within reach, ready to tackle the toughest grime. This blue bottle holds the magic blue liquid that will transform your bathroom. It's like having a cleaning wizard in a bottle. It's not just for toilets. It cleans toilet seats, tiles, and wash basins too. Imagine the convenience of one product for multiple surfaces. Imagine walking into your bathroom and seeing it sparkling like new. Every surface gleaming, every corner spotless. BRAZOS makes that dream a reality. With just a few simple steps, your bathroom can go from drab to fab. It tackles tough stains and even removes those annoying water stains. The best part? It does all this without harsh chemicals. It's hygienic and safe to use. Just remember to wear gloves and keep your bathroom ventilated. Safety first always. Using BRAZOS is super easy. No complicated instructions, just straightforward cleaning power. Just pour the liquid, let it sit for a few minutes, scrub a bit, and voila. The magic happens right before your eyes. Clean and shiny surfaces everywhere. Your bathroom will look like it belongs in a magazine. So why struggle with cleaning when you have BRAZOS? Make cleaning effortless and efficient. Get your hands on a bottle today and make your bathroom look pristine and inviting. Thanks for watching. Your bathroom deserves the best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips to keep your home gleaming. Stay connected for more cleaning hacks and home improvement ideas. Until next time, happy cleaning. Keep shining and keep smiling. BRAZOS. Because every bathroom deserves a fresh start. Make every clean count with BRAZOS.